morning class. Today's topic is the package. What is the package in Java? Let's start with the package. Package in Java is a mechanism to group related the classes, interfaces and the subpackage into a single unit. Package help organize a large application, avoid the naming conflict, provide the access protection and make the code modular and maintainable. Second, avoiding the name conflicts. Two classes with the same name and can exist in the different package. Second, providing the access control using the public, protected and default access. Third, reusability. Package code can be imported and used anywhere. Fourth, increasing the modular programming. Types of Java package. Package, user defined package and inbuilt package. There are the two types of package in the Java. Let's start with the first, built-in package. Built-in package comprises a large number of the classes that are the part of the Java API. Some of the commonly used built-in packages are: first, java.lang contain the language support classes, example that define the primitive data types, math operation. This package is automatically imported. Second, java.io contain the classes for the supporting input-output operation. Third, java.util contain the utility class that implement the data structures such as the linked list and the dictionaries, as well as support for the date and time operation. Fourth, java.util applet contain the classes for creating the applets. Fifth, java.awt contain the classes for implementing the component for graphical user interface like the button menus. Example, java.util.random built-in package. Second, user defined package. User defined packages are the packages that are defined by the user. Accessing the class inside a package. In Java, we can import the classes from a package using either of the following methods. First, import a single class. Import java.util.vector. This imports only the vector class from the java.util package. Second, import all the classes from a package. Import java.util. This import all classes and interface from the java.util.package but does not include the subpackage.